Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my second time filming this intro, so who's over it? I am. Okay, anyways, I am going to be doing a spring break makeup tutorial, which is this look that you're looking at now. Very much natural, very much my skin, but better. And this look you could take to the beach, you go out to eat with your friends. Alright, so guys, I feel a little bit sick.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
So I'm drinking some orange juice to build my immune system, but I also put some sangria in it, so because I want to get lit a little bit. Yeah. So really, I wish YouTube let me listen to music so I could do my makeup, listen to Jhené Aiko's new album, drink some sangria, catch a vibe, wind my waist a little bit, dance off beat. Yes. But yeah. So tonight I'm going to teach the girls how to get cute for spring break. You guys know it's spring break, so the girls are going to be coming to Miami, Puerto Rico, wherever you're going. You want to look cute, even if you're staying on campus or whatever you're doing. You want to look cute while doing it. So this is going to be beginners friendly. It's not going to be too much because if you're going to the beach, you get in the water. Nobody really gets in the water at the beach, but if you actually get in the water, this is like a friendly makeup thing. It's like not too much, but not too less. Okay, so yeah, we're going to start. First, I'm going to start by moisturizing my face with Aveeno, the YouTube hand, with Aveeno Daily Moisturizer. Okay, so we grab the moisturizer. Wash your hands. I put like this much, that's a lot, but you don't want to be ashy faced it. Rub that in my hands and rub it up and on your face, okay? Next, I'm gonna take my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I don't know if this actually does anything. I know it's kind of expensive and I see all the beauty gurus buying it, so I use it and I use it every day. I don't know if it does anything, but we're just gonna keep using it, okay? So I'm gonna put a little bit because it's expensive, so you gotta make it last. I take like this much. You can't even see how much that is, but I take that much, put in my 2 fingers, and put in the areas where I have the biggest pores. So, and I put it all over my face really, but I start with the areas with the biggest pores and underneath my eye because I need the product to stay under my eye because I don't know if you guys can see these dark circles, but baby, they are there. So yeah, put the primer on. This should be easy. See, everybody could do this at this point. It's like we're putting on lotion. Next, we are going to, this is what I do for my eyebrows. You don't have to do this step. I get an eyebrow brush, some water. I always have water in my room, but this is just my eyebrow water from now on. Since I didn't finish this water, I just use it as my eyebrow water. Dip the spoolie in the water. I use the Pears transparent soap. Scrub the brush on it like that. And it makes it like kind of soapy. And then I just brush my eyebrows up because first of all, I don't get my eyebrows done because they barely grow. But this makes it look like I just have feather eyebrows, like I have a lot of eyebrows. So that's why I love this step. Okay. Alright, brows looking exquisite. But yeah, what I want to talk to you guys about. Oh, I am going to be using for foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty. What is this? This is the Hydrating Long Wear Foundation. The Pro Concealer. I'm just gonna spray like 1 pump. I don't know if I should put it on my face or here. I always put it on my face, so let me not do nothing for the video. What island?
What is your island? Private island?
Maya, we don't know what private island this is, and I'm not about to. Basically, I really want to talk about spring break with you guys, but it's so hard doing a tutorial and talking at the same time. I don't see how the girls do it, but they do, so we're gonna try to do what the girls do. So yeah, I'm gonna use my Fenty foundation. I'm gonna put a pump here, just okay. I put some on 4 sections of my face. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend it out with this. This is, what's it called? Expert face brush. Oh, Real Technique brush. Okay, so now we're just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna fast forward this part up. Okay guys, so the foundation is done and I use a little bit more than I usually do, especially for a beach day, but it's fine. The foundation's done. So yeah, what I wanted to talk about is how spring break is coming up, and my friend Kim, her YouTube name is Kim Suave. I'll put it on the screen. You guys can check her out. She's coming to Miami. Well, we're both from Miami. We're like literally neighbors since middle school, and we're gonna do a whole bunch of collabs. So you guys could comment down below what you want to see from us, and I'm super excited to do that video. I just want to, but if you don't know, I'm from Miami, so that's where all the spring breakers go. So I really don't have to go anywhere for spring break. If I want to, I can, I will one day, but this year we're in Miami. So yeah, next I'm gonna take, usually I use this Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, but today I'm gonna take my LA Girl concealer. It's a little bit more full coverage. I don't mind, I can use this for this. I don't really care which one I use, but yeah, I'm gonna rub this in like a little circle, and then I'm just gonna put it under my eye like pat. Excuse my ugly makeup faces, that's a lot, but okay, now I'm just gonna pat this out on my fingers. I use my fingers and brushes for makeup these days. I'm done with the sponge wave because honestly there's so much dirt and stuff in those sponges that it's like ridiculous, and nobody has time for that. Okay, so yeah, now we're blended out. I'm gonna highlight my forehead a little bit, put a little dot, and then my nose. Okay, so we're done with concealer. Now we're gonna set our face with the Fit Me in the medium deep color. This is not my favorite setting powder, but it's like, I have it, so I'm gonna use it. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna take this flat brush that I have from Real Technique under my eyes to prevent the creasing. So yeah, I don't know if you guys know, but I'm like super dumb single, and every time it's spring break, it's kind of that time to get my roster up. So it's just like throughout the whole year. I mean, after spring break, I mean, this sounds bad, but I'm gonna be real with you guys. After spring break, it's kind of like the phone isn't as dry as it was before, but then they start dropping like flies, and then you know the ones that stick out, the ones that you like, and that's just that on that. We all have a, wait, hold on. But yeah, I'm like super single. Maybe God is waiting for my career to pop off before he gives me my mans. But you know, I'm cool with that, because I do have a lot of personal oof, that is a bit harsh. I'm using the Black Opal, what is this called? Perfecting Powder Foundation to contour. I don't contour like a lot. Like what I just did over here was a bit much. So I'm just gonna try to blend that out with this brush here. This is a e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. I'm just gonna try to, and then I'm gonna contour my nose by pinching this. Very simple. I really use my fingers for everything. I'm gonna use my foundation brush that I used earlier with the Fenty just to brush all the powder away. So now, but like I was saying about the spring break thing, yeah, it's really fun. It's really fun just to party, dance, have drinks, hang out with your friends, your family on South Beach, eat good food, have a good vibe, make content. Like, it's just such a vibe. If you never did spring break in Miami, I feel like you should. Like, everybody needs to experience that at least once. Like, that's what really, it made me see, I don't know. See, I was trying to say something deep, but it's just not working out. Like, it ain't make me see nothing. I just be lit. But yeah, Next, we're gonna do the eyes. Eyes, very simple. I'm gonna use this Patrick Star palette. Let me open it because it's like concealer on the back. I'm gonna use this little brown shade right here. Oh, let me get a brush. I don't know what kind of brush this is, but I'm just gonna put this brown color in my crease. I go for a very simple, natural look. I think, actually this look is coming out way more dramatic than I would actually do. And I don't understand. I think I'm just trying to do too much for YouTube because usually it's a very simple, soft beat, but everything is looking extra dramatic today. So yeah, that's my eyeshadow. Now we're gonna go in with some highlights. So you know, when you're under the sun, you could just be beaming in the sun, glow, glow, glow. People are gonna be like, dang, what does she drink or eat for her skin to be glowing like that? So we're gonna use Trophy Wife. Get a little bit. Just put it here. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Put it underneath my brow bone. Put it underneath my other brow bone. That's a bit much. Put it on my cheekbones. Okay. Put it on the bridge of my nose. Oh. No. All right. Put it on my forehead. Put it on my cupid's bow. All right. Put it on my nose. All right. Put my chin. All right. Put it on my collarbones. Actually, I'll put this on my whole body to be really real. But we're gonna chill out. We're just gonna put it on the collarbones right now. Now, to finish off the eyes, we're gonna use some MAC mascara. Ouch! This is like a little sample one they gave me when I got this gift, some lip gloss from them, and this is like the little sample concealer they gave me. I mean, mascara they gave me. So we're just gonna put some of this on. I don't wanna put too much, because really after this video is over, I'm gonna wash this off and go to bed. But I'm just showing you guys. I'm going to the beach on Saturday, and I know it's gonna be a lot of stream breakers there. So this is gonna be like the look I'm gonna do, maybe less dramatic because the sun's gonna be out and I just wanna just be on my chill vibes. Okay, now I'm gonna take off this Vaseline. I'm gonna use this lip liner by NYX, NYX, whatever you wanna call it. This is the color Espresso. I do have MAC Chestnut, but I don't know where it is right now. So this is like a dupe for that, even though the MAC one is better, it glides better. But then again, the MAC one is like $18 and this one is like $3. So you get what you pay for. But this is still a really good dupe and it's really nice, I like it. So actually it's gliding pretty well right now, so. Alright, so I have kind of little lips, so I like overline a little bit. So I follow my real Cupid's bow, and then I overline with the side lines. Follow the Cupid's bow, and overline, and then do the bottom. I follow my sides, and overline on the bottom. This is a cute look. I don't know if it's like beachy. Let me take some off. So I'm gonna put my lip combo on. This was the Patrick Star collection. What name is this? This is called Cream Pie, and I use Espresso by NYX and then Cream Pie by Patrick Star. We're gonna blend it together. I'm gonna blot it off. And now I'm gonna use this lip gloss by LA Colors. It's called Sparkles. I like this NYX concealer, this NYX liner, because it makes my lips look bigger than what they are for real, because I really do have small lips. Sorry, I keep sniffling. Let me drink some of my orange juice. Honestly, guys, I think that's it for the look. We're done. Very natural, very much cute, very much, this is my skin but better. Very full lips, very cute, natural makeup, not too less, not too much. This is just right for the girls. So I'm gonna do my hair right quick and see what's goody in the hoodie. Okay.